Have you ever hit rock bottom? You know that hard spot you can't seem to work your way out of, and you find there's no end in sight? There are new beginnings. When you begin to fall in love, you find that the other person shines brighter than the stars. They have a perfectness about them. There is no end in sight. There are times where you just want relief. Relief from the pain, relief from life, just pure relief. You feel trapped and like you have no control over you, your body, or your mind.
I'm really sorry. I'm sorry.
No, it's my fault. I wasn't paying attention. Yeah, no, I'm sorry. What would you like to want to do?
I don't really know if it's a good idea.
You get to pick Cameron's place, so that's gonna be very reasonable.
Alright.
Here, I'll choose one and then. Oh, by the way, I'm James.
Oh, I'm Nicole.
I'm not messing.
We should introduce ourselves. Alright, text me.
I'll call you.
Alright.
A new beginning. There is always a reason to hope for more.